Hi everyone, my name is Srinath. In this video, we will see how to install Angular standalone application using Angular CLI. So to start with, first we need to install the Node.js. So Node.js is the main thing. So we need to install in our system. So after installing Node.js, so we can check it after installing of Node.js. So we should open the terminal or command prompt. So run this command node space -v. So we will see the Node.js version. So if you face any issues installing this thing, please comment it. So I will help you. So after installing Node.js, so we should go to the Angular.io official documentation. So to install the Angular application, okay. So after coming to Angular.io, so we can click on docs. So after clicking on this thing, so here you can see setup environment. So after on clicking of these things, so we can see the prerequisites to Angular. So JavaScript, HTML, CSS. So to install Angular CLI, so we should run this command. So in your command prompt or terminal. So I have already done this thing. So please run this command. So after running this command, we need to confirm so whether Angular is installed globally or not in our system. To check that, so we need to run this command. The command is ng space version. So after running this command, we should see Angular CLI. So we should see the CLI version number. So in my case here 16.1.5 and node version and npm. So these versions. So after configuring everything like Node.js Angular, so we should create the Angular application. So to create Angular application, the command is, so again we will going back to the Angular.io official documentation. Here we can see, so ng new my app. So with this command we can create the Angular app using ng modules. So we don't want that, right? So we need to create standalone application by creating from the scratch. So to get we create the standalone application, so just copy this command. Okay, after copying that command, so just create a new folder on your desktop. So in my case I created Angular16. So that folder name, open that folder in command prompt or terminal. So after opening the folder, so just paste that command, and at the after pasting that command give some space, and so we need to pass this thing like u double dash and standalone. So with this command, so we can create Angular application fully standalone application. So we don't need to depend on ng modules. So just run this command. So wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Let it create the application. So here it is asking routing these things. So I will say yes. So I'm going with this CSS. Here you can see standalone application structure is new and not yet supported many existing ng. So in upcoming versions like Angular 17 version, so they will make all applications as standalone only. So we no need to depend on ng modules. So these things. Okay. Here you can see application was successfully created. So after creating application, so I'm using VS Code code.visualstudio.com. So here we can download the Visual Studio Code for our coding purpose. So I already downloaded this thing. So I'm opening my created application in VS Code. So I have opened the Angular application in Visual Studio Code. So here you can see my app was created. So to verify our application is standalone or ng module application, so we can head over to main.ts. So here you can see, so our application is fully created with Bootstrap application. So We successfully installed Angular 16 standalone application using Angular CLI. We will open app.component.ts file. So here we can see, so application is standalone. So everything was standalone. So here we can see app.routes.ts file. So we successfully installed the Angular standalone application using Angular CLI. So if you face any issues while installing these things, please ping in comments. So I will resolve those issues. Thank you for watching, and please join the Telegram channel if you have any questions. So I will help you there. Thank you.